Hi, my name's Mark Erda. I'm the president and founder of Synergy Systems. We're located in the western suburbs of Chicago in a town called Naperville. Synergy Systems is a system integrator that is focused on the institutional and industrial combustion marketplace. Combustion is a widely used process. From our beginning in the steel industry, we've expanded across the chemical industry, food, material processing, and institutional locations such as campus energy centers and hospitals. Our primary solution offerings are based on providing burner management systems and combustion control systems for these combustion processes. Our focus is always on providing safe, efficient, and reliable solutions. I think that one of the things that people tell us that is most complimentary to us is they said to us, what I like about you guys is that you don't necessarily do what we say, you do what we need to have done. That we can guide them in this area to make sure that things are done properly and that things are safe. We're going to go back and talk about safe, reliable, and efficient. Safe, the NFPA gives us the guidelines to be safe. Reliable, this is a major thing that Rockwell brings to the party, a history of reliability. And efficiency is what our 40 years in this industry helps us bring to our customers in these times of rising cost. Well, Rockwell Automation is an industry leader for many of our clients. And as the product has continued to evolve, it has really fit this marketplace particularly well. We're benefiting by working with Rockwell because of its vast distribution network, the wide array of products that are available, and these special products like the GuardLogix controller and Flex 5000 that fit so well in the combustion marketplace.